Evening friends, welcome to the CPL T20 first match between TKR vs Guyana. Before knowing the stats of the every player and some facts of head-to-head matches, please go to the Telegram channel and type target for Grand League. You will get my channel, so please subscribe my Telegram channel so that I will give you the teams in my Telegram channel. If there is any change in the lineup also, I will inform in my Telegram channel only. And now we will know the pitch report also. The pitch report will be neutral and it will support the both batters and pacers only, and spinners will little. Now the playing 11 of the both teams. TKR playing 11 will be L. Simmons, S. Sunil Narine, C. Munro, T. Sirfat, D. Bravo, K. Pollard, D. Bravo, Dwayne Bravo, K. Peer, F. Ahmed, A. Khan, A. Hussain. And Guyana playing 11 will be B. King, C. Amraj, Atmire, Puran, Ross Taylor, S. Rutherford, Green, Paul, Tahir, Ulhaq, Navin Hulhaq and Harsh Shepard. These are the playing 11 of the both teams. Now we will know the stats of the each and every player. So please listen carefully. I will complete this video on the short time and I will give you the captain and vice captain choice also. I will give you the combinations and some head-to-head facts that also I will tell you. So please listen carefully so that you can get some good info and good video also. So try to listen carefully. And coming to the wicket keepers and all-rounders and all batting side and bowling side also, I will tell you the combinations also. So try to listen carefully this video. And coming to the wicketkeeper side, we will know the stats of the each wicketkeeper. And Foran, Nicholas Foran is a very good batsman and he is the two-down batsman for Guyana and he is very important while batting. And his stats also 60 matches, 1036 runs and he can stand very well in the middle order also. So try to keep him as an important player. Tim Seifert also another good player and he will come to the two-down as for TKR and he is also middle order batsman and he can play very well. 82 matches, 1642 runs. So it's very important that you have to go with two keepers or you have to go one keeper with your analysis and with your choice only. Coming to the batting side, L. Simmons is the opener batsman. Taker in he can play very well and he is the attacking player also. He starts at 71 matches, 2080 runs and he is very important player. Ross Taylor is another experienced player and he can bat very well and his stats also very perfect and he will come to bat at 3 down and he starts at 36 matches, 224 runs and he is very important player if the Guyana will batting first time only. And S. Atmire is the another one down batsman and as you know he is the very good player and he starts at 25 matches, 664 runs and he is very important for Guyana team. And C. Munro will either open or either he will come to one down and he can bat very well and he starts at 46 matches, 1546 runs. He is very important player. Darren Bravo you have to keep him while if TKR will fall down, if TKR will fail top order, then D Bravo can play very well. So try to keep him. Brendan King is a very excellent player and he is the leading score runner of the previous year. So try to keep him. T Webster is another important player and he can score very well. If he is there in this match, he can come to batting as opener or one down or two down. It's captain choice only as Rutherford. If the top order or middle order will fail, then the lower order, then Rutherford can play very well. So it's our choice only. Coming to the all-rounder, Sunil Narine is another important player. He will bowl to overs and he can bat also. So if you have to keep him also. Dwayne Bravo is another depth bowler and you can keep him as a main player only. K. Pollard while chasing or while batting he is very important player. He will bowl 2 hours and he can bat very well. He will come to bat at 4 down or 3 down also. He is very important player. Keema Paul also another good all-rounder, but he is not much wicket taker. So it's your choice and you have to go with him. Chris Green is another important bowler. He will bowl in the power play only, so that he can get crucial wickets. He will get 1 or 2 wickets in the power play only. So I will try to keep him. C. Hamraj is another important player also. So I will tell you the head-to-head match some facts also. So first of all, listen carefully in this video of the stats. See, Imraj also another import player and he will open with along with breaking 14 matches, 336 runs and 5 wickets. There is a chance of bowling 4 hours and there is a chance of 2 hours also. So he will bowl 2 or 4 hours is compulsory. So coming to the bowling side, Tahir is another good player and he will bowl 4 hours in the middle order. So try to go with him. F. Ahmad is also another important player and Tahir stats also 21 matches, 32 wickets and F. Ahmad also 22 matches, 32 wickets. Praveen Tabi is another experienced player. If he is there in this match, I will inform in Telegram channel. A. Hussain is another important bowler. He will bowl compulsory 4 hours and he starts at 23 matches, 10 wickets. Navin Hulak is another important player and he can bowl very well in the depth orders. He is the depth specialist for Afghanistan also and he starts 11 matches, 14 wickets. R. Shepard also another good bowler and he will bowl in the depth orders and he can get very crucial wickets also. K Pair is the spinner, he will ball in the middle order, he can get 1 or 2 wickets only. And A Philip was another good spinner, he can get also. Ali Khan is another important bowler for TK, he will bowl 4 hours. In the depth order he can bowl 2 hours, so try to keep him. These are the stats of the every player, and I will give the captain and vice captain choice also. S Naren, K Pollard, C Hamraj is very important. I will tell you why I am telling to keep him as captain. B King also you can go with him as captain. Hatmair, Munro, Simmons, and Poran also. These are the captain and vice captain choices, you can go with him. And I will tell you the head-to-head some match facts also, so try to listen carefully. While batting Guyana first, you have to keep 5 players, you don't have to miss them. The names are Chris Ginn, because he is very important, and while head-to-head matches also his stats are very perfect for TKR vs Guyana. And R Shepard, he will bowl comfortably for death over, so try to keep him. And Hamraj is has a good record with TKR, so try to go with him as a captain, as I said. And Hatmer also you can go with him. Poran also. These are the 5 players you have to go with him. These are very important players. And coming to the TKR bat, while TKR will bat first, the important players are Simmons, Pollard, Narain, Dwayne Bravo, Munro. These are the very important players. You don't have to miss them in any leagues also. While head-to-head matches, Guyana can have a high chances of winning possibility than TKR. So try to go with him in Guyana as a main strong team. And these are the stats I has informed you very well. And I has, as I said, you can play Grand Leagues and head-to-head. It's your choice only. And while telling, I will tell you the combinations. Please remember this combination only. If you keep Landon Simmons, so try to go with him as a player or vice captain. Don't go with the vice captain only, because the reason is Chris Green will ball opening power play only. So while power play only, if he can get out also, he can score well. There are 2 possibilities, but my choice will be Landon Simmons will get out in the earlier only. So try to keep him vice captain or leave him as a player only. So try to go with him. Hatmer, please keep him. Hatmer is a very important player, and Munro also. If Landon Simmons will not play, then keep Darren Bravo. He is a very important player in the middle order, so that he can play very well. And coming to the all-rounders also, try to remember one point only. Sunil Narain, he can ball and bat, but you have to keep him vice captain only. While batting first, take care. Sunil Narain stats are not at all perfect, so while chasing only his stats are very good. So it's your choice only, as I am telling. And K Pollard is, while chasing, while batting first, he is very important pick. You have to go with him. Chris Green, while batting first only, Chris Green is very important. While chasing, you can leave him or you can keep him as an only player. C Hamraj also, while chasing, you can keep him as a vice captain. Don't keep him as a captain. And coming to the bowling side, Aitai is very important in first batting or second batting also. These are the important players from head to head. As I said, five names also. There are very important players. So try to remember what I said in this video. And friends, I will give you the teams of the ECS T10 also. If you are playing ECS T10 also, you can subscribe my Telegram channel. These are the screenshots I am showing in my ECS T10 mini leagues also. You can join my Telegram channel, and my Telegram channel will be in my description. And try to remember one point, my please subscribe my Telegram channel and YouTube channel. Thank you, friends.